Hello beautiful people and welcome back to the studio and the farm and yes, the rain. Oh my god, is it ever going to stop raining? So in today's video you're going to come and join me. Well, I hope you're going to join me as I go and work my 2 monthly shifts, one in a little art gallery in Polperro and one in a little craft shop in Looe. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. There might be a little sunny interval. For those that don't know, A, I'm Jane, hi, nice to meet you, and B, Sunny is my new rescue dog that's just come over from Romania. He's been here about 5 weeks by this point, maybe 6 weeks, and he's flipping gorgeous. So make sure you hang around for a bit of Sunny love. But yeah, enjoy the video and I will catch up with you all at the end. Good morning friends, or welcome back to the studio. However, me and my carrot are about to leave. We're going down into Polperro, my local little village, little cute chocolate box village, and we're going to go and work today in the gallery. Let's go. So this is Polperro. You're not seeing it its absolute best because it's been raining for what feels like a lifetime and everything's like algaed and green and put on the brakes. This is a dog shop. I've never even been into this shop, but apparently now I'm obsessed by everything dog, and I did buy Sunny the dog some treats because it would have been rude not to. So this is Polperro. It's a very old, very quaint fishing village. It's absolutely beautiful. I know lots of people here. This is kind of where I did my growing up. It's such a lovely little place. And I really want to give you a proper tour of it one day, but not when it's looking like this because the weather's just been so pants. It's horrid. Look at that roof in front. That kind of sums up how much rain we've had. There's just moss and algae growing everywhere. So the gallery that I'm in is right down on the harbour front, and it's owned by a friend of mine called Gina. She's a fantastic artist that paints in a naive style. Her work is really colourful. She does lots of landscapes of Polperro. It's a really photographed little place. If you've ever bought like literally a chocolate box with a cute Cornish little fishing village on, there's a fair chance that the photo is of Polperro. And this is her shop here on the left, literally looking over the harbour. Oh, what a gorgeous backdrop. Ta-da! Well, I'm in the gallery. It was chaos getting in here. There was some customers stood waiting at the door as I got here and unlocked. And they wanted to buy something that they'd seen in the window and I couldn't get the card machine to work and it was all the drama. But it's all sorted now. Thankfully. Let's have a look round, shall we? Because I've noticed some new stock in here. So it'd be kind of fun to have a little nosy. I'll flip you round so you can nosy too. This is the outside of the shop. So as you're walking down to the harbour, this is what you'll see. And really colourful, really bright, really inviting. It's such a cute little place. Let's go inside. I've put the camera onto widescreen. It looks so much bigger on the screen than it is in real life. It's the tiniest little space, but filled with such beautiful pieces. So Gina works, I would say, predominantly with acrylic paint, but she does also work with other mediums as well. She also has the work of other local artists in the gallery. Plus, she manages to source some really interesting vintage pieces of art. So it's always worth coming in and having a good rummage because the turnover of art in here is quite incredible. I honestly don't know how she keeps up with it. She must paint like every single day of her life. See that big white canvas in front of you? I wish I had a wall big enough for that piece of art. I love it. Absolutely love it. That's one of Gina's pieces actually. This table, these are magnets, there's bookmarks, there's placemats and coasters, all with her artwork on. There's jewellery, and if we just sneak forward and peer through the paintings, this is the view. I always think harbour like towns or villages look so much prettier when the tide is in. So Gina has sold one of the A5 journals from my little shelf, so let's put that one back. Oh, I need to put a label on it. So I'm having to do loads of voiceovers in this video because the building next door had the builders in for months. I don't know what they're doing in there, but every time I've worked, they've been next door making lots of noise and ruining all my shots. So I'm really sorry you're getting stuck with loads of voiceovers in this. Time for coffee. Don't mind if I do. I've got my little coffee bag. It's really funny being down here, working down here. I did my growing up in this village, so I know a lot of people that were here, like, well, when I was a kid, when I was a teenager. There's so many people that live here now that I've got no clue who they are. But it's really funny, I just saw one of my best mates from, like, school time, one of my best mates' younger brothers, and, like, he's all grown up. It's really funny. This getting old malarkey's hilarious, isn't it? So now what I need to do is turn the camera off. I need to check what the upload speed is here, because I still haven't uploaded today's video to YouTube. It is Friday, it's about midday. I'd like to have my video published at midday, but it's been uploading since about 5 o'clock yesterday and it's still not done, so I think I've got to start again, which is so frustrating, but I've got no clue what the upload speed is like down here, so we're about to find out. I don't hold out much hope for it being good. Damn, a download of 87. Unfortunately, the upload is only in the 20s, and that's the one that's important to me, but still better than at home. So I'm now going to have to turn the camera off while I try and upload last week's video. So confusing. Well, we're still uploading, but this doesn't seem to be slowing it down at all. So I've got my lunch. I've got new potatoes, mayonnaise, and just some shredded leftover meat. But what I wanted to show you was not my lunch, because I'm on an EDC, or Everyday Carry group, on Facebook, and I don't know, I get suckered in when people find bargains. So this is called outlery. It's cutlery, but in a tin. It's so bloody cute. It's ridiculous. It comes with these little... It's nonsense. But anyway, I got so suckered in because they were reduced. They were like $5.95 for a set on Amazon. So I went and ordered them. I'm still like, why did I order? I can just bring a fork from my kitchen drawer. I don't need a really cute little tin of cutlery or outlery. But this will be the first time I use it, so I guess I have to get my money's worth out of them, right? Rainbow fork. Have you ever? God, the sun's come out, it's warmed up, and I feel really sleepy now. I'm going to have my pudding now. I've got some defrosted blueberries, some walnuts, and then I poured a little bit of a can of coconut milk over them. And they've been sitting there all morning, so the walnuts are probably going to have all softened and become, I don't know. Let's find out. And for this, we're going to need the rainbow spoon. That's good. So I'm nearly done. I've got half an hour left before I shut up for the day. But it's so pretty outside now. It's all like, it's all sunny and gorgeous. And the tide's in. And the builders are next door cutting insulation board, which sounds horrid. So that's the little harbour. I've put you on widescreen. It's not really this big, it's tiny. And then this is the little gallery right here. If you ever come to Cornwall, make sure you pop into Polperro and come and say hi to Gina or me. And like the other shop I do down in town, I just do one day a month in here. If you've ever come into the area and you want to find out if I'm going to be in one of the shops, send me a message on social media or keep an eye out on Facebook. I try and remember to post on Facebook when I'm going to be in the shops when I know the dates. Totally forgot to share today's date though, so oops. But yeah, pop down and see me or Gina. That would be cool. So today is Friday, and then, oh, seriously builders. So today is Friday, and then next Monday I'm going to be in the other shop. So I will keep this vlog all about the shops, and I'll catch up with you in the next half. Are you posing? You are such a sweetheart. Good boy, Sonny. Good morning. It is now Monday, the following Monday, and I'm now down in town in the other shop. Just like living my best life right now. The only problem with today is that it's not going to stop raining all day long. And even though it's Easter this weekend, which is the start of our tourist season, when it's really, really rainy, people don't leave their accommodation generally, or they just spend all day in the pub. So I'm not expecting a huge amount of people coming into the shop today. I did put a shout out on Facebook if any of you guys are in the area and you wanted to come and say hi. I'd love that. So hopefully I'll get some visitors today and hopefully I'll have lots of punters, but I'm not honestly expecting an awful lot. So it's 10 a.m. I've just set up. So let's have a little mooch around. I've already spied some new makers. Silver jewellery, that's like my kryptonite. So yeah, let's have a quick tour and see who's new. Okay, I've put you on widescreen so you can get a better view of everything. It also makes the shop look massive. It's not, it's teeny weeny weeny. So there's the counter, so that's where I sit, kind of people watching all day. But this jeweller appears to be new. Oh, okay, the cabinet, we've got a new cabinet too, which is locked, so I need to find the key for that. But so pretty. I'm loving that pendant there. That's gorgeous. Oh, so gorgeous. Who is this? Linda Looe. Reclaimed, recycled, reloved, handmade in Cornwall. How lovely. And this is the other maker that's been here for a while. Oh, and this is another silver jeweller. This is Lolly Looe. Oh my gosh, that ring there. Oh God. I'm going to have a little look through her stuff. So Lan, the owner, she paints these gin glasses. They fly out of the shop. People love them. And scallop shells. And these are little oyster shells, which are really cute. Isn't that sweet? These are the bracelets that are made of fishing line. So all the fishing nets that get washed up along our coast, we have tons of them. So this little company, which I believe are based in Looe actually, so this fishing net in particular was found at Crackington Haven. And how cool is that? They make jewellery from them. So there's lots of different colour and designs. And then this is yours truly. So I need to have a little restock. We're a little bit low here, very low here, the feather key rings. So I need to tidy that up. I'll dust my shelves and get everything nice and clean as well. Johnny has officially kind of left the shop, but we've still got some of his spoons in here. This is our lovely artist. I think her name is Sam. I've met her a couple of times. If I've got your name wrong, Sam, I'm really sorry. The beautiful candles. I bought one of these a couple of months ago. And then this is all the kiddies' clothes, which are really cute. And also, I think the same lady that knitted my gloves that I bought last time, that actually I've got with me today. I think that's so cute. Also got a load of scrunchies in and baby hats. These are quite fun. It's a baby carrot. Hello. That's very cute. And then, gosh, the bag lady's stuff has got quite low. That's the lady that makes the fingerless gloves. Gorgeous. Lan, that owns the shop, also does these coasters, decoupage, and the pebble art as well. And she sews the bunting. Oh, and these things, these are little makeup wipes. So reusable makeup wipes that are biodegradable, which is a lovely idea. The cutest seagulls, much cuter than the real thing. We've got soaps, we've got beeswax, furniture polish. These are wax wraps. Lan makes these as well. Aren't they gorgeous? So pretty. Doggy bandanas? Why have I never taken any notice of this shelf before? Is it perchance because I didn't have a dog? Well, it just so happens now I do. That's kind of cute, huh? Then we got a rack of cards. We've got these. This is Johnny's favourite beer. There's a little, they've squashed the bottles and made them into clocks. We've got candles. We've got these lovely scaffolding plank picture frames. Oh, these are new little paintings. How cute. Wow. This is incredible. This place here, this is called the Cheese Ring. It's up on Bodmin Moor, and it's actually a stack of stones that looks exactly like that. It's like, how the heck does that thing stand up? It's crazy. This is somebody, I've never met the person that makes these, but this is laser work. So he's obviously, I think it's a he, he's got a laser printer too. And he does these coasters and placemats and key rings and things. And then last, but by no means least, is our lovely fairy lady who makes the mushrooms that you've seen, my mushrooms in my studio that I freaking adore. Oh, cute little mermaid pictures. I didn't realise she was doing pictures too. Isn't that the cutest? Hello. And then if we go into next door, so next door is like where all the crafters are, and then this side is Lan's shop. But when we work, we cover both shops. That's so sweet. Oh, little Easter eggs. Little Easter bunny. That's so cute. Oh my goodness, somebody's being very noisy. So sweet. Lots of really cute little kid stuff and handmade things. Really pretty. Oh, so precious. And then these bags are really lovely too. They fly out the shop too. So there we are. I feel that we need to like catch up with any new products that are in and any new makers that are in next door, because you know, this girl's nosy. Okay, so this is my stock bag, and what I need to do is I need to sort through my stuff on here because I'm having to put my prices up because I didn't know what I was doing when I priced everything, and apparently my margins are really not worth me running as a business. So, yes, my prices are having to go up. When I priced things, like, for example, my beautiful A5 journal, unfortunately, I didn't account for all the other fees that are involved in selling that. Like here in the shop, I pay rent every month, but I also pay a percentage of each sale. With the website stuff, obviously, there's all the packaging stuff, because currently I'm offering free shipping throughout the UK for all parcels, big or small. That's having to change. So I'm going to have free shipping after a certain amount. I'm still working out how to do that on the website. I haven't done that before, so it's going to take me a little while. So nudge, nudge, wink, wink. If you're in the market for any of the stuff on my website and you're in the UK, then I would get in there quick before I have to change the shipping, because currently, like I say, it's free shipping for everybody. So what I'm having to do is, because also it's the start of the season, I'm just going to pop these prices up. So I'm going to sit here today, change all of those prices, and hope that people still think they're worth it. I guess only time will tell. Come with me, my pretties. So there I was, busily squirreling away, repricing my products, and I get a call from Lan, the lady that owns the shop, and she said, Jane, go home. This was about, I don't know, 1 o'clock, 1:30. It was dead. There was just nobody in town. Nobody was out shopping. It was not the kind of weather that you would want to be out shopping in. So bless you, Lan. Thank you so much. She just phoned me up and told me, please, Jane, just go home. You don't have to tell me that twice, Lan. I'm out of there. So I scurried home. But I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me in my 2 little worky days. And yeah, I look forward to getting in there next month, and no doubt I'll share those days with you too. So if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and ding the bell, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Oh, and very quickly, guess what? The girl that said she was never going to do craft fairs, she's got 3 craft fairs coming up. I have 2 booked in May and 1 booked in June, and the May one is 1 month today. I've never done a craft fair. I've got nothing prepared. So I have a month to get that done. I mean, how hard could it be? Perhaps that will be next week's video. Watch this space. Have a good one.